Pull out and remove the middle freezer door bin. Locate the LED light assembly. With a tapered plastic end stick tool, carefully pry out one end of the assembly, then remove the assembly by hand. Unplug the LED light wire connection. With a small flathead screwdriver, disconnect the tabs that connect the clear light cover from the LED light assembly. Push in the tabs that secure the LED light strip into the light assembly and remove the LED light strip from the light assembly. Slightly push in the LED light strip until it snaps into the assembly. Align the clear light cover on the assembly and snap the light cover on. Plug the LED light into the wire connection. Push the light assembly upward until the assembly snaps into place.